Good morning. Our topic for today is all about the types of soil.
Sandy soil. This type of soil has large particles and it feels gritty. It's drained quickly but doesn't hold nutrients well. Like for example, found in desert region and coastal areas.
Let us learn about clay soil. Clay soil composed of very fine particles. Clay soil feels sticky when wet and hard when dry. It retains water well but become compacted. For example, common in river, valleys, and floodplains.
Silk soil. This soil has medium-sized particles and feels smooth. It retains moisture better than sandy soil and is more fertile. For example, often found near rivers and lakes.
Loamy soil is a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay. Loamy soil is ideal for gardening due to its good drainage and nutrient retention. For example, found in many agricultural regions.
The next one is peaty soil. It is rich in organic matter. It is dark and moist. It retains water well and is acidic. Peat soil is a type of soil that is formed from partially decomposed organic matter. For example, common in marshy areas and bogs.
Chalky soil. This soil is alkaline and can be stony. It may require additional nutrients for plant growth. Example, found in areas with underlying chalk and limestone bedrock.
Please click the link below and you may have your quiz.